Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And we're here at the island in Pigeon Forge and we're getting ready to go on a ride.
Yes, we are. We're going to go on. Can you see it up there? SkyFly. SkyFly, we hear, is kind of like the soaring ride at Epcot, which we absolutely love. So we thought, let's give this a try.
Hey, come and join us.
SkyFly Soar America. Adults $22.99, kids $17.99, seniors $19.99, and for seniors it's $60 and up, plus taxes.
SkyFly is open Sunday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., Friday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11 p.m.
This is something we've wanted to try for a while. We love the soaring ride at Epcot. Matter of fact, soaring is one of my favorite rides, but we've heard this is better than soaring, so we will see. Since there's nobody in line, we hope we're getting in the front.
The experience features an immersive queue that will take up to about 45 minutes during peak hours, a 10-minute pre-show, and then the show itself, though the ride, lasts about 6 minutes.
The ride itself suspends you in the air with your feet dangling. You're in front of a 50-foot dome screen, and the ride kind of moves you up and down, simulating flight as you go through about 20 locations in the United States, where you also experience the movement, the wind, the scents, and even get misted at times by the water, and such a fun ride. You begin with a train ride to the launch pad.
All aboard my handmade, homemade, handcrafted, sometimes unpredictable,
but generally very, very, very safe.
Generally very safe, steam-powered airship of the future.
Buckle up, here we go!
one before you leave for $9.99.
Hey, I could tell you really liked it.
I absolutely loved it. It was
what a good time.
It was so much fun. It was $22.99, I think, for each of us, plus tax, but I felt like it was well worth it. I enjoyed
and
every
I
minute.
think it's even better than the one at Epcot.
I do too. You can smell the smells just like on Epcot. You
get
fly.
wet?
Yeah, you get wet whenever, like you're going over Niagara Falls or where the canoers were, the whale. You get sprayed, so that's that was fun.
Hey, I would recommend it.
Yeah, you get to go 10 or 12 places on
That's
it.
right.
I absolutely had so much fun, and I thank you for taking me.
Hey, thanks for joining us.
Take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye. These are the places that we traveled to.
The Everglades,
Tracy Arm Forge in Alaska.
which we actually had been to, so that was a nice memory,
The Grand Canyon.
which I've always wanted to go to, and I haven't been able to, so that was nice.
Quick trip to Hawaii.
Which, hey, anybody's got to want to go to Hawaii.
The
went-
Bristol Motor Speedway.
And we've got Mount Rushmore coming up and Wyoming.